This is the best online business to start during the pandemic, coronavirus, and during quarantine. What's up, everybody? My name is Jordan, and for those of you who are looking to start a business to work from home because maybe now you're unemployed, or maybe you're bored and you're under quarantine and don't know what to do, and you're trying to look to create an extra new income stream, and really just looking for a new opportunity to start something, because when life is uncertain, the world is uncertain, anything can hit you at any time, and we are dealing with obviously a lot of uncertainties with the world, and it has affected a ton of people. And now you're probably thinking of new ideas and ways to make money from home, work online, especially during this quarantine, right? So about me, guys, my name is Jordan. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome to the channel. This channel is all about helping you start and grow your online digital marketing agency. This is what I do. This for the past year and a half now. We're coming up on almost 2 years in November. But I started my digital marketing agency off in my bedroom without any experience or knowledge, and I started all this from scratch, and I've been able to build it up to a six-figure agency. And now I use this channel to pass back my knowledge, my mistakes, and really my journey to help you guys start and scale your own online advertising agency, right? And so what is the best online business during quarantine and this pandemic? I might be a little biased, guys, but to be honest with you, with the low startup costs, really starting, you don't need a business background, you don't need a marketing background, you don't need a whole lot of money to get started. Hands down, guys, a social media marketing agency, or otherwise known as SMMA, or a digital marketing agency, is the best thing to start now. Really, literally right now. And a lot of people have thought, is this going to last during a crisis, a recession? And it has proven that it does. And let me just go ahead and show you guys my Stripe account here. A lot of people, there are a lot of internet marketers on the internet, on YouTube and things like that, sharing their knowledge and stuff like that, but no one is willing to show you their account, right? They'll give you the knowledge, they'll take information from other people, and they kind of just regurgitate it and share it to their own channel, things like that. But 8 out of 10 times, or even 9 out of 10 times, they're not going to show you their account and show you how much they're actually making and this is actually working, right? Instead of just giving out information, right? So I'm probably one of the few people on YouTube and that you've came across that it's actually going to hop in and show you what I do works, and I actually do what I say I do, right? Hopefully that makes sense. So anyways, this is starting from the month of January of 2020 this year, right? This is where all the uncertainties began. The uncertainties began, my area got locked down in like the month of April, May-ish. That's when businesses had a lockdown. So that's when we were mostly impacted, but it really kind of just started in January. I'll just show you guys my report overview, I guess. So from January to, we're not even at the end of August yet, and we made a gross volume of $84,000, and we netted $80,000. So we're currently, the business is generating a little bit over $10,000 every single month. Now obviously that is like net, and the overhead is super low. I'm probably paying between $1,000 and $2,000 every single month. Now obviously it's because I run a six-figure agency, but when you first start out, you're not going to be paying the $1,000 to $2,000. When I first started out with my digital marketing agency, I was probably paying a couple $100s to get started. And not even that, guys. When you are at the very beginning, you probably don't even need it that much to get started. But after you get your business running, once you start using softwares and tools and stuff like that, then that's when you start spending a couple $100s, maybe $200 to $300, $400, $500, somewhere around there, depending on how you run your business. But the reason why I highly recommend the digital marketing agency space, social media marketing, is because you can literally get started today. You don't have to go to You don't need to take marketing classes. I didn't take any marketing classes. You don't have to graduate with a marketing degree. I definitely didn't graduate with a marketing degree. Low overheads. You know, I started with this agency. I didn't have a lot of money to get started. I really just put myself out there, and I just jumped in and I said, hey, I want to make this work. I see it's working for other people, so I just jumped in. It doesn't require it doesn't require a lot of your time because you're able to work from home. You might still be working at 9 to 5 right now, I don't know, but you can work on this on the weekends or your off times, whenever you're not working. And really, it doesn't take up that much time to build up your business. And the reason why this business is perfect for during this pandemic, this coronavirus, this whatever it is because, as you could see here, I'm still generating an income despite everything that is going on. Sure, my business did take a little dip because of everything that's happened, but it hasn't stopped my income. It hasn't stopped generating income for me, right? And more so, I'm able to work from home, so I'm able to I don't have to go to work. I don't have to go to 9 to 5 job. You know what I mean? And I can just work from home and continue to grow my business. Now, guys, I know you guys probably thinking, I don't have any experience. I don't have sales skills. I don't have any marketing experience. How do I get started in something like this, right? And I was there. I've been there a year and a half ago. I was there. I was in the same position. I had no idea what I was doing. And I was really just looking for a way to build any type of business and have some type of income. And what I really did is I just started offering volunteer work. I just started reaching out to businesses, offering free trials, volunteer. I had no case studies, no experience, no knowledge about marketing, no sales experience. I really just came off as a student, a newbie, really just getting the ball rolling. I just reached out to business owners, and some business owners turned me away because I had no experience, and others took me on and gave me a shot, and I was able to really, that's where I got started, right? And really, you just gotta get the ball rolling, right? And some of you guys might have more sales experience than me. Maybe you guys did work at a marketing company. Maybe you guys have anything that you could leverage a lot more than me, right? And use that to your advantage to get the ball rolling, because really you only need one shot, one opportunity to get get some results, get decent results for a business owner to land yourself a brand new client that pays you. And from there, you kind of just repeat the process until you get about 4 or 5 clients, and now you have a 6-figure agency. Now, how much you're able to charge for this type of service is anywhere between a minimal, what I charge is $1,500 per month on my management fee, plus $1,000 setup fee. So I normally charge $2,500 for my services. The first month, and then after the first month is $1,500 every single month after that for management. Now, that's what I charge. There's other people who are just starting out. Maybe you can just start charging a minimal fee, right? You don't have to reach out to business owners, offering absolute free volunteer work. I know you're busy and you also want to get paid, obviously, right? Now, the route I went was I wanted to do it for free because I had no sales experience, and so I thought it'd be easier to just get the ball rolling if I just did it for absolutely free. And that works, guys. But if you're more comfortable with selling for a minimal fee, you could charge $500, $250, whatever it is, minimal fee, just to get them somewhat invested into you. It adds a little bit more value to what you're doing, so they take you a little bit more seriously. Then charge a minimal fee, right? There's marketing companies that charge that $500 to get started. There's $750. There's $1,000, and you can be charging this all the way up to $10,000 or even more, really, depending on how much value you're bringing to that business, depending on what you do. I normally just really quick $1,500 and $1,000 setup fee. And then once my client starts spending $10,000 or more in advertising spend each month, then I change my $1,500 management fee to a 20% management fee. So it'd be 20% of whatever their monthly ad spend is. So for example, if they're spending $10,000 that month, then my management fee, 20% of that would be $2,000. If they're spending $15,000, like one of my clients is, then my management fee would be $3,000 for that month. Now imagine having you'll only really need 3 to 4 clients charging $1,500 to $2,000, and you have yourself a 6-figure agency. Because how much do you need to make each year to have $100,000? Or how much do you need to make each month to make $100,000 gross annual revenue, right? You only need to make $8,333 each month to have that $100,000 annual annual revenue, right? So you only really need about four to five clients, 3 to 5 clients, depending on how much you're charging, to really have a 6-figure agency. And this is starting with zero low overhead. You don't need anything, guys. You can literally get started today. And if you want to learn more about how to get started, my entire YouTube channel is dedicated to this. Feel free to go through my YouTube channel. It's going to teach you exactly how to get started. How to get started, how to scale your agency. If you're looking for a little bit more advanced stuff, how to automate your agency, how to build automation systems to get your agency automated so that you can start landing clients on automation, fulfilling a service, delivering a service on automation. All of that is automated. I have a free webinar training that links in the description. It's an 80-minute webinar training, but it's going to dive really in depth on the exact systems that I use today to run my 6-figure agency, right? And so you guys might be thinking, all right, that sounds good and all, but what kind of service am I going to offer? I don't have anything to offer. And guys, it's really not that hard. It's really not that hard to get started. I understand you guys might not have, this might be brand new to you guys. You might not have any digital marketing service or anything to offer. And really, guys, it's really just offering Facebook ads. It could be Google ads. It could be anything, really. But the two main ones that people offer to generate local businesses, more clients, more leads, is Facebook ads or Google ads. Right now, I specialize in Google ads. I prefer Google ads. I do run Facebook ads for my other business, part of the business, but as far as for my local businesses and generating new clients and leads, I strictly use Google. And the reason why I use Google is because it generates way much better quality leads and customers for my clients, right? So for example, if you or myself or anybody who is looking to hire someone or looking for some type of service product to buy, we're probably most likely going to go to Google search engine and search for that, right? We're more likely to buy that. Whereas Facebook, we're not on Facebook to buy anything. We're more on there for entertainment, seeing what friends and family are up to. And every now and then we'll get hit by an ad, right? And so that's we don't really have the intention to buy something, rather as Google. And that's why I use Google ads for my clients. And that's how we're able to generate super great results for them. All right. But really, guys, you guys could, get a simple, Facebook provides a simple Facebook course. You can just Google that, I'm sure. And Facebook's going to teach you really simply how to put together a Facebook campaign. And really from there, that's really the foundation, all you really need. You can search on YouTube how to run Facebook ads for a specific niche. So how to run Facebook ads for chiropractors. There's a ton of people teaching that. I teach that on my YouTube channel, so for sure you can learn that as well. And then you can purchase a simple course off of udemy.com, right? So for those of you that don't know what Udemy is udemy.com, and they have tons of courses that you can purchase for like $10, $20, right? And it's super worth it. It'll teach you the foundations and really get you started. And from there, you're gonna be able to get the ball rolling and use that to offer to businesses in exchange for an income, right? So that's really how I got started, guys, and this is why I really highly recommend this business model, especially during quarantine. If you don't have anything doing, start learning Facebook ads or Google ads, right? It's super simple to do. You can literally create a Facebook ad account right now and start practicing putting together Facebook ad campaigns. It's really simple, guys. It's nothing. It's not rocket science or anything like that, which is why there's so many people that are hopping into the digital marketing industry right now. Is because number one, it's easy to get started, and number two, businesses and people need digital marketers. They need your help, right? Especially during this time as well. They need people, or they need to be doing marketing to bring in more customers, more clients, whatever it is, during these uncertain times, right? So it's the best time to actually get started. And as you can see here, in the month of July, we actually had, I believe it was our best month. We had about a $17,000 gross revenue in the month of July. And the reason for that is because lockdown started to end. Businesses are starting to really open back up. and they need to bounce back from that, right? So they're going to need more marketing more than ever, and they want to spend their advertising dollars on things that is going to grow their business. And this is where you can come in, guys. This is your opportunity to, offer that free trial, volunteer work. If you have no experience or case studies, but even then, you can charge a minimal fee, like I said before, and just get started that way, guys. It's really that easy to get started. If you have any other questions, I'm here, more than happy to help. Leave that in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up if this sparks an idea or if this video helped you at all. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We're currently at about 1,050 subscribers. The next goal, the next stop is 10,000 subs. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about how to start and scale your digital marketing agency, so that you can start working from home pretty much from anywhere in the world, such as this one right here. I'm working from my bedroom. Really just need a Wi-Fi connection and you'll be able to do that. So that's what this channel is about. My name is Jordan Lee. I hope this video has helped you, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.